From GRAPH EXPO 14 at McCormick Place in Chicago, we want to introduce you now to a gentleman who handles inkjet technology for Canon Solutions. And Michael Poulin, welcome.
Good to be here. Thank you.
Thank you for stopping by, taking the time. I know you've got a busy schedule. You've got a lot of stuff happening on your plate right now with everything going on, and I guess the best way to start is, because of your situation with the company, where's inkjet headed now? Where are we at?
As you know, inkjet is just expanding so rapidly.
Right.
You know, it's not quite taking over the industry yet, but it's really trying hard. If you look at some of the projections from InfoTrends and companies like it, you know, they're looking about 2018 before we really see that transition to where inkjet takes over more of the market than the current toner systems. And I think from Canon Solutions America, we're poised. We have the product breadth, the portfolio that really puts us in a good position to lead that market.
Well, let's talk a minute about some of your media programs, and one is an expansion for inkjet web presses. Let's look at that for a second, if you will.
Well, last year we really we redefined our media program. We've had a media program for a long time on our toner products, but we put about $1 million+ into expanding our in-house media and solutions lab. And brought in a lot of new equipment, brought in some scientists, some ink scientists and some paper scientists, and really expanded that lab. So we now have direct relationships with over 30 US mills. We have almost 900 or 800 plus papers that are certified to run on our equipment. And with the new equipment being announced this year, we will definitely use that lab as a resource to expand that, to go into the offset coated sheets for the image press, the image stream 3500, which will print on offset coated. So that's a whole new territory for us. And then of course the Niagara platform, which will bring us into the cut sheet world. So we'll really leverage that media and solutions lab.
Can we talk a moment about the CSA user group that's set for, I guess, next year? Are we making progress in that? Is that something that you're part of?
I'm not directly involved in it, but being a part of the marketing organization, of course, I have a little bit to do. I'm more on the product side. It is advancing. We have had some initial meetings, and we expect that to be a huge help to us as well. We really depend on our customers to give us a lot of feedback. We have a really good relationship with the factories, and we bring that feedback directly to them, and you can see that in some of our product developments this year.
Let's talk a minute about implant print guys. Those fellas that come to you and say, this is what I'd like to do, A, B, and C. How does that all fit in with your scheme of things now?
Well, we absolutely have a lot of our engines in what we call implant customers, but there's a lot of differences in what they do and what they're asking for. So that's where, again, the portfolio that we have really comes into play. We also have a very strong professional services team where we'll go in and do the analysis of what the plant wants to do, and a great software and workflow solutions package with Prisma as well. You know, we are the market leaders in inkjet, and it's not only because of our products. You know, with 44% of the market, it's everything. It's the products we have, the people we have, the solutions, the professional services, and really with the power of Canon, we can bring that all together and bring it to bear, and our customers
are really
I would
think from your viewpoint, it's an ongoing educational process, and it changes almost by the day.
It does, and that's where those user groups, and we have the user group, we have our technical advisory councils that we meet with a few times a year, and these are our customers and our prospects, and telling us what they think and what they want, and we use that to our benefit. You know,
Feedback's vital,
feedback is
it?
great, yeah, absolutely.
Great. Michael Poulin with our friends over at Canon Solutions, and I'll tell you, you've got some great programs. Hope you enjoyed the show.
I am so far. Can't wait to see what else we have.
Okay.
Thank you.